Hey guys, welcome to another kind of video I would call it. We have a forgotten Harman Kardon that was left in rain. And this is the old version. And yes, it was kind of salvaged, so I did not buy it. And let's see if we can make it work. That's the whole deal here. And yes, that's the cable that came with it. And it's very, very dirty if you want to see it under. This is not dirt, it's some kind of adhesive that somebody tried to put on it. Then here's the USB, here's the power, that's pretty much it. That's a sub from the back. There's a volume up, volume down. This is the power, which, yeah, there's no power on it. So here goes that. Here's the pair button on the side, and that's pretty much it. And we're gonna take this cover off, and so I can show you the buttons. Not the buttons, I mean the speakers. These are the speakers, these are the tweeds, this is the subwoofer, which looks really cool though when you look at it. This is really cool. So now, what we're gonna do, first things first, I'm gonna plug it in. Well, what could go wrong? Plugging in a speaker that has been abandoned for years. What could possibly go wrong? Don't try this at home. If you find something like this and you don't know what it's been through, I suggest you first open it and check for water damage, because you can create more damage than it already has. But in my case, I don't really care that much because I just want to try it. It looks like something clicked right there. I don't see any lights anywhere. Let me try and see if it turns on. Oh, it turned on. Well, let's get to our computer and see if we can find it on the Bluetooth thingy. Okay, this is the pair button, it says. Okay. And let me go to my Bluetooth and go to settings, add Bluetooth device, Bluetooth mice or something else. Oh, HK Harman Kardon Onyx Studio. It says connecting. Oh, and it connected. Well, that was unexpected. And let me put it on something here so the bottom doesn't really just hit the table. I guess this is fine. And let's play music or whatever. And the music I'm gonna play, by the way, is mine, so don't worry about it. It's working. Whoa. Okay, as you see, it actually works. I am extremely surprised right now. And does the battery hold? No, the battery does not hold. But we are not worried about that. Well, let's open it anyway, since we came to this point. Well, what else is left to do except for open it in pieces and show you guys what's inside? Why not, right? Ooh, I see the dust here. Thank God the camera may not capture all the dust I'm seeing. Whoa. Okay, one screw down, a million more to go. Okay, most of the screws are out, as you see here. And yes, I'm using a magnetic flashlight to take them out. And the last one does not want to come out. I know, I understand it feels cozy there, but I want you out of there for now. And let me put them all on this one. Put them on the side, and how do you even open something like that? That's a big question. I never opened one of these, actually, so I will just try it. Is this thing, does it come apart? Oh, okay. Okay, it came apart. There's some rubber here that we might have to put back on in a minute. And what are we working with here? Because I really don't want to break it. So let me unplug as much as I can. Okay, there's one here that's plugged. Okay, another one here. And this is the speaker inside, actually. It's very beautiful built, I gotta say. I'm very impressed with the build quality inside. We put this back on. I don't know why that would come off. I mean, why? I dismantled the whole thing, so probably Harman Kardon, when they made it, they did not mean it for me to open it in pieces, but I did because, you know, That's what this channel is all about. Open things in pieces, and as you see, there's a small board all around here, beautifully made actually, that has the buttons. Here some caps looks like, more caps here for the amplifier. Okay, looks like this might be the receiver. That's one of the antennas to get the Bluetooth, as you see right here. And that's all for the side. 2 speakers, and there's no other driver. So these 2 speakers, right, that you see right here, is what is driving these rubbers in both sides, in and out, that you saw. So that's what's acting like the subwoofer on this unit, and this is very beautifully built, I gotta say. This is the control here. This here looks like a battery compartment because it has power, control, ground. Yeah, looks like it might be a battery here. Well, let's find out what's inside here too. Shall we, or shall we not? I guess we shall. We're too far now to go back. Let's take this out. Okay. Oh yeah, there is a battery here. I'm not sure how good it is now, but LI 1100 something. As I see right there, rechargeable lithium battery. Looks like a normal battery that I could probably replace if I wanted to, but I'm not going to right now. I'm not really gonna all dismantle it, but it's a very interesting thing to see. And if you never open one of these, well, you don't need to now. Unless you need to repair it, but for now, I did it for you. And let's see if we have any extra screws by the end of this video. Sometimes happens, I gotta say. Yes, it's not the best thing in my life, but it happens. And here's the battery compartment. Now, the rest, we have to just put it back together. I'm not gonna actually mess with it anymore. Everything seems to be intact. The back panel probably could be changed. It's some kind of hard plastic. Looks like here is where the 2 legs or support, whatever it was, went, which I obviously don't have those, and I'm not gonna suffer for it for right now because I'm fine with what I see here. And here's the main board again. Let me take this USB away, and it's actually really well built, I gotta say. I did not expect. I did not expect. Harman Kardon, they're good. They've been on this business forever. But I did not expect this speaker to be this well built and to function after it's been left on outside. This has gone through rain, through whatnot, through sun, and it's still working. That's something to be respected. That is something that I respect. And if I can put this gasket back on as it was, I'd be very happy. Okay, and now time to put the cables back in and see where that goes. Wow, I am truly impressed. I know you guys may not believe what I'm saying, but I am impressed with the build quality, with everything inside here. It's a really beautiful unit. Okay, let's attempt to put it back together now. And as far as I can see, it's put back in place. Yep, nothing's moving, and I don't have extra screws so far. And let's put the screws back on and, yeah, give it another go and see if it still works. Okay, let me put this down in there. And as you see, this is the real deal. And now, I'm not sure if it's gonna work again, but I will try it again. This is really, really beautiful, and I'm very, very impressed. Let's see now, here. Okay, we got that beep, and that's, oh, okay. So it connected right away. Let's play something really quick. I think we're gonna find something, if I can. Oh. So it works really beautifully, actually. And I am very, very surprised with how this came out. I did not expect this one. Wow. Okay. Good job, Harman Kardon, for making something really, really good. Okay. Woo! This is a beauty. This is a beauty. And that was a Harman Kardon that I thought was dead, unfortunately. But, fortunately enough, Harman Kardon did something of high quality. And no, I am not sponsored by Harman Kardon, which I wish. If they want to send me some new one, bring it on! Because your old one is still gonna live, and I think I'm gonna use it for my own studio, actually. And no, I'm not gonna put the cover back on, because I really like what's under here. You know, putting the cover is okay, but I like to see the vibrations and all that. And I wish I could show you really how good this sounds in person. It really sounds smooth. Extremely smooth. And with that said, we'll see you in the next time. And thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and help me out become somebody one day. We'll see you next time. Bye!